Okay. Konnichiwa. Now we are going to see the lesson 15 from Genki 2 textbook. So today we are going to see about Nagano Ryoko, a trip to Nagano. Nagano is the place in Japan. Ryoko, which means trip or going an outing or sightseeing. Nagano Ryoko. So a trip to Nagano. Let's see the dialogue. The kaiwa. Kai means meeting. Wa is speaking. Kaiwa, meeting and speaking together is dialogue. So it is before vacation. Mary. Takeshi-kun, kondo no yasumi yotei aru? Mary. Takeshi-kun, kondo no yasui yotei aru? So, Takeshi-kun, what about the holiday plans? Takeshi. Betsuni doshite? It's not specifically, I'm thinking. Mary. Michiko-san no Nagano no uchi ni iko to omotteru dakedo? How about going to Michiko-san's house in Nagano? So once again, Michiko-san no Nagano no uchi ni iko to omotteru dakedo, issho ni ikanai? So how about going to Michiko-san's house in Nagano? Takeshi. No? Is it fine? Mary. Michiko-san ga Takeshi-kun mo sasote. So Michigo-san also invited Takeshi-san. To itte takara. To itte takara. So it's about Michigo-san is also invited Takeshi-san along with Mary. Takeshi. Ja, iku. Okay, let's go. Densha no jikan shirabete okuyo. So I will inquire about the trains. Mary. Arigato. Thank you. Ja. Watashi Michiko-san ni denwa shite oku. So I will call to Michiko-san about our trip. At Nagano station, Takeshi. Hayaku. Hayaku means fast. Hayaku tsuita kara. So we reached early. Hayata tsuita kara. Chotto kanko shinai. Chotto kanko shinai. So we reached early here. So how about some sightseeing? Takeshi. Hayaku tsuita kara chotto kanko shinai. So we reached early today. How about the sightseeing? Mary. Doko ni iku? Okay, we'll go to there. So where we will go? So doko ni iku. Where we will go? Doko ni iku? Where we have to go? Takeshi. Zenkoji wa do? How about Zenkoji? Yumei na otera da yo. Yumei na otera da yo. How about the Zenkoji temple? It is a very famous temple. Mary. Sodane. Okay. Hiru gohan wa nani ni suru? So, what we will have for lunch? Takeshi. Nagano wa soba ga oishii kara soba wo tabeyou. So in Nagano, soba is very delicious. Let's have soba for our lunch. At the travel information office, Takeshi. Sumimasen. Zenkoji ni iku basu wa dore desu ka? So what is the bus for Zenkoji temple? Annaizo no hito. Annaizo no hito. Zenkoji nara Goban no basu desu yo. For Zenkoji temple, it is 5-number bus. Takeshi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Kono chizu moratte mo ii desu ka? How about taking this map? Annaizo no hito. Dozo. Okay, it's fine. Sore kara kore byujutsu kan no waribiki ken desu ka? Yokattara dozo. So here you have a famous art museum where you will be having very famous paintings. Mary, kore Higashiyamakai no eiga aru. Here only the Higashiyamakai paintings are there in this museum. Aru byujutsukan desu ne. Kore Higashiyamakai no eiga aru byujutsukan sune. Byujutsukan desu ne. Here is about the Higashiyamakai no paintings are there. Ashita iku yotei nan desu. So how about coming tomorrow? Domo arigato. Thank you very much. Annaizyo no hito. Kiyotsukete. Kiyotsukete, which means take care. So this is all about the dialogue conversation for a trip to Nagano. So let's see once again the whole thing. So before the vacation, Mary, Takeshi-kun, kondo no yasumi yotei aru? Takeshi, betsu ni doshite? Mary, Michiko-san no Nagano no uchi ni iko to omotteru n dakedo, issho ni ikanai? Takeshi, ii no. Mary, Michiko-san ga Takeshi-kun mo sashote to itte takara. Takeshi, ja, iku? Densha no jikan shirabete oku yo. Mary, arigato. Ja, watashi Michiko-san ni denwa shite oku. At Nagano Station, Takeshi, hayaku tsuita kara chotto kankou shinai. Mary, doko ni iku? Takeshi, Zenkoji wa do yumei na otei da yo. Mary,そうだね。昼ご飯は何にする？Takeshi, 長野はそばが美味しいからそばを食べようよ。At the travel information office, Takeshi, すみません。善光寺に行くバスはどれですか？案内所の人、善光寺なら5番のバスですよ。たけし、ありがとうございます。この地図もらってもいいですか？案内所の人、どうぞ。それから、これ、美術館の割引券ですが、よかったらどうぞ。メリー、これ、東山会の映画ある美術館ですね。明日行く予定なんです。どうもありがとう。案内所の人、気をつけて。So, here, Hokubano Mori. Hokubano Mori means forest with a white horse. Hokuba means white horse. Hokuba. And Mori means forest. So here we have the English translation. And let's see the tango, the vocabulary part. A, painting, picture or drawing. Eigakan, movie theater. Gaikokujin, foreigner. Kagu, furniture. Kanko, sightseeing. Kekon Shiki. Kekon Shiki means wedding. Jishin, earthquake. Shimekiri, deadline. Zaketto. Zaketto is jacket. Shukan, custom. Zeikin, tax. Sotsugyoshiki, graduation ceremony. Sotsugyoshiki, graduation ceremony. Soba, Japanese buckwheat noodles. Chizu, map. Denchi, battery. Niwa, garden. Hapyo, presentation. Bangumi, broadcast program. Puru, swimming pool. Petto, pet. Yotei, schedule or planning. Ryokan, which means in. Waribikiken. Waribikiken means discount coupon. Hiroi, spacious or wide. Let's see the U verbs. Uru, to sell. Orosu, to withdraw. Kaku, to draw. Sagasu, to look for. Saso, to invite. Tsukiao, to date. For someone with a person, if it is to, if with a company purpose, it is ni. Tsukiao. Tsuku, to arrive. Hokenni, Hokenni hairu, to buy insurance. Hokenni hairu. Ru verbs. Kiyotsukeru, to be cautious or careful. Shiraberu, to look into. Sutei, to throw away. Suteru, to throw away. Mieru, to be visible. And coming to the irregular verbs, suru, to decide on an item. For or a thing, you have to use ni. Sotsugyo suru, to graduate for. Sotsugyo suru. Yoyaku suru, to reserve. So adverbs and other expressions are ichinichi ju, all day long. Ichinichi ju. Kedo, but and also. Saikin, recently. Nitsuite, about or concerning. Ban, number. Me, ta. And moichido, one more time. So this is all about the dialogue. So kaiwa and the vocabulary part. So we'll see about the grammar part in the next coming video. Thank you very much.